Kindly make sure I'm audible and my screen is visible. Thanks for the confirmation. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hello everyone, good morning. I'm Dinesh Babu the digital marketing consultant and trainer, having 12 years of experience in global digital operations. And I welcome you all for this webinar series brought to you by Sona School of Management, a unit of Sona College of Technology. You probably at least heard about the newest social media sensation, TikTok, but most of them doesn't know how does it work, who is exactly on it, and how can brands can leverage for their business. The purpose of this today's session in this series is to explore the state of TikTok marketing to inform brands, marketing professionals, advertisers, content creators, business leaders and the public to understand how can we make use of this emerging social platform. In fact, TikTok has been in the news recently for wrong reasons. There may be the concern that the platform was not safe for youngsters to use, but the truth is there was some dodgy content on TikTok, but they have cleaned up their act and removed a lot of videos that doesn't meet their community guidelines and terms of use. In fact, TikTok has revised its privacy policy and terms of use by considering all these factors. And if I talk about social media in 2020, without mentioning, it is difficult for any digital marketer. Even though the app has been around for very few years, it still feel like it blew out nowhere. That's partly because of the increase in the user base and it is growing exponentially and muscling into new markets and demographics. If you see already bit to see brands like MTV, Red Bull, BBC Radio already jumping on board and creating great viral content on TikTok. And it is the beginning to look more and more like a potential tool for B2B marketers as well. To be successful with TikTok marketing, you need to know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. TikTok was developed by a company called ByteDance, a Chinese artificial intelligence company, which was launched in 2016. Later in 2017, the company bought a short form video app called Musical.ly and increased its reach in US. Then its growth started outside of Asia. And now the app has over 500 million monthly active users, which currently racks an estimated of $3.5 million in monthly earnings. So, according to the recent survey by Hootsuite and VR Social, a social media management tool, TikTok became the most downloadable non-game app worldwide. Around during March, with more than 2 billion installs, and in India, TikTok has been downloaded 611 million times, and it accounts for 31% of the total app downloads. And every social media platform will be designed on the basis of uh, human attachment or called human psychology or a human relationship, right? So as like that, this TikTok has been developed with human emotions called euphoria. So euphoria is nothing, it's an experience of pleasure, of excitement, or else it's an intense feeling of well-being and happiness. Say for example, certain activities we do like social activities such as aerobic exercise, laughter exercise, listening to your music, dancing for your favorite song. So these all can induce the state of euphoria. So that is why it is more popular among the teens and millennials, right? So TikTok hit a milestone in this year, and it was more popular than Facebook. That is among 13 to 16-year-old kids. So the average TikTok user spend roughly about 5 to 6 minutes on the app per session. That's almost double the amount of time they spent on Instagram. And if you see brands like Lifebuoy, Nike, NBA, Coca-Cola, Walmart, and Red Bull, and so many companies like Lace, all have been marketed to the Gen Z users on TikTok using sponsored hashtag challenge campaigns. So how does TikTok works? So basically, if you open the TikTok, it will show the home page. That is the starter page. So TikTok users need to set up an account and upload a short videos that mostly for 15 seconds, but we can upload up to 60 seconds. So often these videos will be usually consist of people lip syncing or dancing to music videos. But today it was more advanced, like housewives started posting a seasonal recipes, doctors sharing the health tips, and millionaires take part in hashtag challenges, whereas cricket commenters like Akash Chopra talks about the sport, and educators started tutoring in TikTok, and comedians doing stand-up, and lot of prank videos, dancing videos, beauty tips videos, and lot more is happening on TikTok. Right? People with all kinds of talents are now uploading videos to TikTok, and now there are people uploading videos showing them using their favorite products. Right? So if you see the home page, you will have the two options, following and for you, and also on the side you will have the options for following a person, liking him, sharing his video, and make a video of the music he does. Right? On the search discovery page, you will be finding top videos of the week and recent trending hashtags. Right? So there will be two sections on home page. That is the for you page and the following. So basically, for you page is the section that shows all the trending videos, irrespective you follow, and users can see your video in this section if it is ranked high on TikTok. And the following session allows user to watch the latest video of the TikTok test, user following. Right? So there will be a two sections. Right? On profile page, you will be having the option of having the profile picture and a small description about you and all the your latest videos. Right? So the plus icon in the dashboard helps to record a new video or add a new video. Right? So recording process is simple. You just need to select a music and record a video and post it on your profile. As simple as that. And the most important features that attract many millennials, that is React and Duet. Right? So a React feature is where can users can shoot a video which includes their reaction to the other video. So basically a small window will showing the user can be placed anywhere on the screen, and this is a popular feature. Right? And another feature is Duet. So this feature helps a user to create a video with one video next to the other one. So this feature is basically available with the previous tool which the TikTok bought, Musically, right? And it is very popular among the users. So what, like say for example, if a song is singing, there are two versions, one is male version and female version. If I do a TikTok, I am performing for a male version and I post it on my profile. So what other user can do, so the other user can select my video and make a duet, and she can sing for a female version. So like that people are doing duets. So basically the app is focused for fun, entertaining videos that stands up to 60 seconds in length. So if you have a look at the numbers in 2020, there are valid and viable reasons why TikTok is getting future high on marketing strategies for brands. So on Apple iOS store, the TikTok app was the most downloaded app in the first quarter of 2020, more than 33 billion downloads. Even though the Android version has more users than iPhone users. If you see the platform, Currently, there will be a 1.7 billion active users globally, and India has the largest user base with 43% of new users. If you see the number of users with China and India, even though the app was launched in China, the India had the great and largest user base. So another interesting demographic research proves that approximately 66% of people are less than 30 years old. In that, 60% of the active users are aged between 16 to 24. And if you see, on an average, a TikTok user spends about 52 minutes on a platform per day. And in commercial perspective, the first quarter of 2020 witnessed about 108 million new users worldwide. And if you see the growth rate, it is 70% when compared to the last quarter. And the in-app purchases is increased to 275% on year. Right? When compared to the last year, it is increased to 275%. And the 29% of the user base are using TikTok every day. So these points tells us that TikTok is increasing in a pace growth. And the challenges that work well is the raindrop challenge. So it got almost 685 million views. Wait a minute. So basically what happens is, in this challenge, there will be an effect of raining. If we show the hand, the rain will change into a cubes, and then if we take out the hand, it will again start raining. So this challenge created an 685 million views. So TikTok has completely disrupted the way people around the world express their creativity. Definitely, TikTok has been successful in creating a stir in the Indian market and with the biggest user base. Right? Every big company was astonished. How did TikTok grow so quickly? The platform has really taken a lot of people by surprise with its magnificent growth in such a short span of time. So let me put down three important reasons for the growth of the TikTok. First one is endorsement for celebrities. If you have any social network on initial stage, you may aware that celebrities have a significant impact in their growth. An endorsement from a celebrity will persuade a lot of their followers, and the number of TikTok users grow significantly from this. So here is a video of Priyanka Chopra when she joined in a TikTok. She just told her followers and fans to follow her on TikTok.
Hi everyone, I'm finally on TikTok and you can follow me on Deepika Padukone.
Right. And the second most important point is, despite TikTok being a local global app, it focused for a localized content. You will see a number of challenges on the platform in local content that resulted an upturn in the user base. In the second picture, you can see the hashtag with Tamil memes and Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil and makeup mimic. Right? So TikTok has a contest they call as a 1 million audience, which run across the different nations. Basically, this campaign invites users to participate and showcase their creative stuff. Right? The campaign is regionalized, focusing on Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada, and Malayalam languages. And the most creative videos stand a chance to win an exciting prizes every day. So this contest has really helped to build the overall user base of TikTok. So not only that, but TikTok also provides suggestions to users for local topics. So till date, the hashtag has garnered close up to 86 billion views. And the third important point is, it is very easy to use. Right? The The video creation is very simple. Like every user will appreciate that. User has to do a record their video and just instantly post it. If not, they can kept it in their draft. So as soon as you open the TikTok app, it is very easy to access videos and they will start to play in sequence. So people find it very easy to find videos that they want to use. So these three important factors has drive the growth of the TikTok. See, around 70% of the total population was Gen X and 6% of millennials. If you see the top cities by user scale, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, tops 5 in these ratings. Right. So how to use TikTok for business in 2020? Do you know that over 90% of the brands are currently using social media to build their brand awareness? And right now, TikTok is probably the best for generating brand awareness rather than the cold hard sales because of its user base. So user base is 13 to 24-year-old demographic, right? So being a business early to the TikTok game has lot of benefits. It helps business to stand out from the competition and expand their reach. So before getting yourself to register with TikTok account and setting up things, you should conduct a basic research. So the basic research would be to see if the TikTok is the right platform for your business. You should ask these following questions like, are your target customers is younger than 35 years old? Because the user base is around 35 years old, right? So does your business target Gen X and younger millennials? Are your product or visually appealing? Would you say that your brand is fun, casual and trendy? Does your brand have a cool kid vibe about it? Or do you have the resources to post content regularly on TikTok? So before getting into how to engage with TikTok, we need to understand what type of post already looping on TikTok, right? So you have to check these checkpoints before getting into the TikTok. So remember that whatever you post it TikTok, it should be entertaining, right? So these are the different type of posts you will be seeing on TikTok. So the most frequent things you will be seeing on music videos, what people will do, they will do a lip syncing for the famous songs. And comedy videos. So making comedy videos is not easy, but if you can do it, then you will be really connect with your TikTok crowd. And then special effect video. So you can create some great videos with a special effect inside TikTok. TikTok usually have the feature called filters and effects. So with the help of these filters and effects, you can actually create a special effect videos, right?
Wipe, wipe, wipe it down. Wipe, 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 wipe it down. Wipe.
Right, that's the Will Smith video for the special effects video. And then it comes the videos and the challenge videos. If you see particular music post that you want to replay, you can usually use the duet feature in TikTok, so that you can create your own video by the side of the original video and use the same music. And challenge videos are something basically encourage user to participate by doing something fun. If you can come up with the right challenge, you can get a huge amount of engagement on TikTok. See, here it's a duet videos and also a challenge video.
Smile देखे देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile देखे देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो
So this is basically a campaign from Lace. Ranbir Kapoor, a girl is doing a duet with Ranbir Kapoor and challenges whatever actions Ranbir do, the user who does the duet should do that, right?
While
So here comes how brands market on TikTok. So that there is basically a few effective ways that brand can market on TikTok. So the first option is like you can create your own branded channel and upload relevant videos based on your category or niche. See here Reebok. So Reebok created its own branded channel with posting all the videos, and they got a followers around 26k 26.7k followers, and they got 962.1k likes, right? On the second way that you can actually find an influencer on TikTok to increase your reach on the platform. See here, MPL, the Mobile Premier League. What they does is they hired a influencer Virat Kohli so that they can promote their product via him, right? So, and the third option is we can actually do advertise on TikTok, right? So, as how we do the advertisement in Facebook, social media, TV, radio, and all other medium, we can do ads on TikTok too. So here is a picture of a app called rummycircle.com. So they done an advertisement on TikTok. So a lot of marketers now on TikTok use a combination of these things to grow their followers and increase their reach. So here are some of the successful marketing strategies that brand can use. The first one is hashtag challenges. So the TikTok community actually loves a challenge. A lot of users love to accept challenges on the platform and create videos and upload them with respect to the challenge, right? If you want to create a challenge on TikTok, then you need to create an existing and relevant hashtag. So because the hashtag should be memorable and easy for the users to find, right? To create a successful challenge, you need to think how a TikTok user can interact with your brand in a fun way. Maybe they can hold one of your products and then do something fun with it. So you need to think about the difficulty and the creativity of the challenge. So it is always recommend for brands to have some degree of difficulty into the challenge, and it is always a good idea to allow the user some flexibility in any challenge so that the user can create of their own with their creativity, and provided the TikTok user should always follow the guidelines they have to do, because when problems comes again and again to a TikTok, the TikTok build its privacy policy rules and regulations very strong and strict, right? So if you do this, then you will be definitely find better results, right? So this is one such challenge. So this is basically a campaign run by Fanta, that is No Bahana Kohli, that is launched with respect to the celebration of Holi. A user can actually do a video. When doing a video, automatically the user will get the multiple colors on their face, and if they show the hand, then the Fanta bottle will come, right? So this is one such campaign run by Fanta. And the next one is the campaign run by Google. So what Google does is Google they need to promote the Google Assistant, and when they think about that, uh, there is almost a number of infinite things that a person can do with Google Assistant, right? So what Google does is Google invited users to ask any question they wanted to Google Assistant, and which made the challenge creative and very popular.
Google, why I am single?
Open your front camera.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
So basically, what she tries to convey is like a guy is asking to a Google Assistant why I'm single. Then Google is telling, open your front camera. Once the front camera opened, she was shocked by his appearance. So this is a funny video. So like this, people will come with lot of creativity when brands do a hashtag challenges. So a lot of marketers miss the trick, that is duet challenges. You can actually utilize a hashtag campaign with a duet, which is unique and attracts a great deal of engagement. So as a brand, we should be thinking in a ways which we can interact with our audience using this duet feature in TikTok. Here are some ideas, like you can sing to one another, or hold a conversation, or give a high five, or finish each other's sentences. Like I recently ran a campaign for one of my clients in FMCG. Like we done a slogan concept. So what we done is we ask the company's marketing head to start a slogan like I like brand because, and post it on our official TikTok page. So what we done is we invited users to complete the slogan. So with that we got lot of interest and lot of engagement for the brand, like followers, likes, lot of stuff we got, and we distributed prizes to them. All right. So here is one such campaign. Like with this we can, there are so many possibilities with this. So get your thinking cap on, because TikTok really like the duet feature and use it a lot. So get this right and you will get a ton of engagement for your brand. So here is an example of a lace. In the lace cover, they have imprinted the half page of an image of a girl, man, woman. So what people do is like Ranbir had the lace one, and he reacted for the taste. Like so, whatever reaction he do, user who is doing duet should replicate that. So this is the original video.
Smile के देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile के देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile के देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile लो
Yes, this is the video they post on their official page, and this is the response like duet challenge.
Smile के देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile के देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile के देखो 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 देखे देखे देखो Smile लो मुस्कुरा लो
So this is the kind of response you get from the user, so that your brand can reach multiple people. Right, and the next strategy is
Smile के
use influencers. So even though the TikTok platform is very new, there are still influencers on that have millions of followers, and they can really help to push your marketing campaign to their audience. When you are choosing an influencer, you should consider the authenticity, because choosing an influence is really a critical thing to promote your brand. So if you choose the influencer which is not relevant to your brand, obviously the campaign will be the failure one. So you have to choose a right person with the right type of content. So if you see the big brands like Walmart have used influencers to spread the word about their campaign to get a good effect. And such example is from Walmart. So Walmart what does is, so usually the Black Friday will be the popular in US, and Walmart usually put discounts on that particular day. So they want to uh, take these offers to reach to the public, and also the best offer products to be showcased. So what they have done is they have hired a few influencers and ask the influencers to shop their store and make a videos and upload on their channels, right? So here is a such one. So they hired a influencer called Drake Know Best.
I am free, yeah, yeah, come follow me. Oh, oh, love you so, but if you don't, I have to leave. Oh no, I am free, yeah, yeah, come follow me. Oh, oh, yeah, I am free, yeah.
Right. So here she had a millions of followers with us. So use scarcity. So scarcity or urge is always a good marketing tactic, and this certainly applies to TikTok. You want to encourage engagement and participation and having a time constraint with the push user to get involved. In marketing, we always do. We always use the urgent content. Like we always used to push the customer to take a decision, right? So if you don't use some form of scarcity, then people will put off their participation and probably never end up with getting it around to do it, right? So here is an example of such kind. So if you want to create a challenge, you have to put a time limit on it, right? So when a user knows that they have only few days to participate, at least it make him to force to make a decision, right? Here is a campaign of guess jeans. So usually what users need to do, users need to wear a guess jeans dress and to perform any pop song, right?
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator.
Right. So you, guess jeans gave just 7 days for the users to participate in their challenge. So with this, they got a effective number of participants and they delivered free goodies to them, right? And the next one is authentic. When you use the word authentic, it is always recommended to use authenticity in your marketing for any social media channel, whether Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, because you always need to be authentic on TikTok or else the community will shun you, right? So don't be sales oriented always, and try to push users to purchase your product or services. So instead of that, you should push community and creativity. So user engagement with your brand in a good way to your audience will actually receive the likes, shares from their communities and their engagement. When you get this right, you will experience a lot of success with your marketing on TikTok. Here's an example of Mobile Premier League. So what they've done is they clearly explain how this app works, what is the purpose of the app, and how it will be going to benefit for the users.
जाम हाथों से छलकने न दूंगा, राज की बातें ना किसी से कहूंगा। अब के तुम आए तो वादा है मेरा, आज मैं तुझको ना जाने न दूंगा। चांदी सा बदन तेरा, सोने सी जवानी है, मैं इश्क का राजा हूँ, तू हुस्न की रानी है। ओ, मैं इश्क का राजा हूँ।
Right. So this is how they built the authentic with the community,
जाम
right? And build a community. So basically, we are not going very far with TikTok. Just create a single challenge or doing a campaign with a single influencer. So it is essential for a brand to prepare a large community on the platform. Of course, you can develop the community around your brand and your products. So it is always recommended that you start creating simple videos. You take your own call, like you have to create a video on a tone that you want your brand, right? You can create a short videos and then resonate with that. So you can create a funny video, political, controversial, or positive. When you create a good community vibe on TikTok, other users will be clamoring to join in with your community. So here is an example of Lace. They created a community of users with 49K followers by posting a videos, right? And encourage user generated content. If you see, the generation is that counts always wants to be fully immersed, like they like to be very active, and they are not fans of watching TV. As far that is too passive for them, and TikTok users want to participate and get involved with stuff. So they so we have to give them an opportunity around your brand. So right, so here is an example of a paper cup brand. So they ask the users to get out of with their product with some creativity, and the user comes with this kind of creativity.
मैंने पूछा छोड़ने की वजह क्या थी, तो कहने लगी तुम हमारे रिश्ते में दिमाग बहुत लगाते हो। मैं कुछ बोल नहीं पाया।
Right, what the user does here, so he just painted a cup with a sketch, and in on eyes part he just put a hole, so that once he fill the water on the cup, on that part alone the water gets out, so it seems like a man crying. So such kind of good creativity he come with, right? So next one is promote your videos on other social channels. So when you create videos for TikTok, you can use them for promotion on other social channels as well. Also add them to your website or blog, because this is a great way to get more followers on TikTok as well as on other platforms. Probably you, some of your fans on TikTok may not know you on Instagram. Some of your fans will know you to on Instagram, will not be known you on Facebook. If you have do a cross posting, then you will have a complete and engaged fan base, right? So as like other social media channels, TikTok started to show short ads in January 2019, and later on in April 2019, TikTok launched the beta version of their managed services platform, which actually created a biddable ad environment. Right? So whatever ads you are posting on TikTok, it will be available to Top Buzz, Buzz Video, News Republic, Halo, Vigo Video, and Baby. So all this belongs to TikTok. So the TikTok platform offers main odd format and in-feed videos and three call to action, like cost per click, cost per video, cost per impression. That means if someone clicks the link, then they will be charged. That is called cost per click. And cost per video, if someone sees the video, they will be charged. That is cost per video. And cost per impression, if some amount of people seen your video or post, then it is called cost per impression. Usually if 1000 people sees your ad or video, then you will be charged, right? So right now brands can run takeover campaign, sponsor hashtag campaign, like branded lenses, that is the augmented reality lenses, stickers, and other effects, or to take part in a promoted hashtag challenges. So actually this ad will be on two bases. If you want to have an effective reach, then you have to take a brand takeover and in-feed ads. If your brand needs an effective engagement, then you need to go for hashtag challenge and brand lens, right? Let's dive in one by one. So brand takeover ads. So brand takeover ads is usually the ad appears when you open the TikTok, right? So it will be present on your ad front and center. With this type of ad, you will be able to drive TikTok users internally or else to an external destination also. So only one advertiser can usually do this brand takeover ad per category per day. Over time, this is going to make these ads pretty expensive, like the YouTube ads, the masthead ads. When you open the YouTube, on the main page on the top, you will be seeing an ad that is called masthead ad that is very expensive, that it costs around 3 lakhs per day. uh, so over time it's really going to be expensive. At the top of the screen the user can elect to skip the ad. See here, you can always have this option like skip the ad. So if not interest to you, you can skip the ad. So with this branded takeover ads, you can able to measure how many people have clicked, how many people have seen, how many people have actually reached the destination. So these ads going to be an effective and user friendly, right? And this is how the ad comes when we open the TikTok. So if we click the link, and it will go to the page, and here we need to do a call to action, right? This is how the brand takeover ads work. And the next one is hashtag challenge ad. So the hashtag challenge ad is all about encouraging the user generated content by requesting TikTok users to participate in a challenge that actually showcase your brand in some way. So challenges is very popular on TikTok. So if you get this right, then you can expect some good results and user base. So hashtag challenges are so successful because they capitalize on natural tendency of the TikTok users to create their own content and upload it in the platform. When you go for a hashtag challenge ad, the representative form of TikTok will partner with you for a period of 6 days, and it will be the length of your ad, right? So it is always a good idea to find a good influencer partner for your hashtag challenge ad, and they will be able to extend your reach considerably. The right challenge idea will result in good organic engagement on this TikTok platform. So this is such a hashtag challenges. The challenge name was Bottle Cap Challenge. It got around 2 billion views, right? So what people actually do, the users are invited to open a bottle cap without their hands, right? So here is a video of Indian actor Arjun. So Akshay, Arjun, and lot of celebrities have done this hashtag challenge. That is a bottle cap challenge.
Did I really just forget that melody?
And this is the another person.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit.
Like, right? So the next ad format is branded lens. So if you are familiar with the AR lenses offered by Instagram and Snapchat, then this is like a similar concept. So what happened is, with the help of these branded apps, you can create a 3D object, face filters, and more. So what this branded lens can do, it provide a very deep level of engagement on the TikTok when you have the support of the user base. It will be a very good way to get your message out there. See here, we already seen a Fanta one, right? So what, with the help of AR, if someone opens a hand, the Fanta bottle will come on their hand, right? So this is a kind of branded lens ads. So here you can see the right. So what he has, he get a fire like kind of thing in his hand. Alright, this is the ad which actually ran by VFly. It's a software which helps to make animated videos. Right. So this is the kind of branded lens ads. And the final one is in-feed native ads. Basically, the in-feed native ads is a natural way of displaying ads in TikTok. It usually appears like a video, ordinary video, but it is an ad. It's similar like to the Instagram story ads, right? So it allows us to add a link to our website, and of course, as with other ads, the native ads have a skip feature for users and that have no interest. With this type of ad, there are a number of options available to you. When it comes to design, you'll be able to, and when it comes to measurement, you can able to measure the engagement you receive with kind of ads. That can you can see the total views, click through, impressions, right? So your native ad will be like around 5 to 15 seconds length, and the video must be in the vertical format, and it display uh, in the users for you page, right? So it has some call to actions like see here, like download, play game, contact us, visit your website kind of stuff. Right, here is an ad for the MPL Rummy Circle, and here is an ad for a small company in a small town of Tamil Nadu that is called King Mobile.
எத்தனை உறவுகள் இருந்தாலும் தங்கச்சிக்கு பிடிச்ச விஷயங்களை தானா புரிஞ்சுக்கிற அண்ணன் கிடைக்கிறதெல்லாம் ஒரு வரம். அந்த உறவை கூடவே வச்சு கொண்டாட ஒரு செம்மையான மொபைல் இருந்தா
See a kind of ad they promoting that. So they are insist to tell that they have the offers and they are ready to deliver now, right? So the simple tip for standing out in this video space is to use the appropriate hashtags. So use of relevant hashtags will increase exposure, and you can find these trending hashtags to the TikTok discover page, right? So let's hear a interesting story and inspirational story that how TikTok helped brands to achieve their marketing success. So what happened is Oppo, we all know the favorite and popular mobile brand. So they have debuted the F11 Pro, actually a new device that captured a brilliant portrait even in low light settings. So that is the future of that mobile. So what Oppo does is Oppo seeks a way to create a mass awareness and deep engagement for this new smartphone. So they have chosen the TikTok, right? So what they have done is they have created a hashtag challenge themed as Light Up Pro. So the 6-day Light Up F11 Pro hashtag challenge received more than 6 million video views and over 7,000 user published videos, and they got 326k likes. And they have offered prizes, and for this campaign they included 2 celebrities and 2 influencers filmed official video illustrating that take a photo dance that highlighted the powerful camera function of F11 Pro, right? So if you ask me what type of products or services benefit most from the TikTok ads, at present the short answer is the B2C brands, and in particular entertainment, sports, fashion, beauty and food, right? So the key takeaways from this webinar are regarding brand visibility and engagement rates. Statistics show that TikTok videos actually have the highest rate of engagement per post when you compare to across other social media platforms. And if you want to capitalize your advertising, then we have currently 4 options like sponsor hashtag challenges, home screen takeovers or brand takeovers, branded lens, autoplay vertical videos or in-feed videos, right? So might be TikTok not relevant for your business as of now, but it will eventually turn a staple social media platform for your brand, and that needs your presence on that. So remember, the TikTok users are the consumers of the future. All right. So as a conclusion, Everyone can create on TikTok, but success comes on only through creativity. Thanks for your valuable time, guys. And I would like to thank the Sona School of Management and Dr. Kamalakannan for providing this wonderful and unique opportunity to express my views on TikTok marketing. Thanks again. The session is open for Q&A.